Hi everyone, I'm going to do a brief tutorial today on our new top 8 allergen-free bake and go cupcake kits. And what you see here are vanilla and a chocolate cupcake kit. Each of these makes just 2 cupcakes, perfect for when you're going to an event and you're not able to enjoy the desserts or treats being served there due to food restrictions or other food allergies. I'm going to go ahead and open the box and show you what's included in your kit. So when it arrives, you'll open this up, pull these out, and inside this tray, what you'll find is our baking cups. Comes with 2. These are oven safe, freezer safe, and you bake right in these. No need for a special muffin tin, just right in a glass pan or a tray, and they're also recyclable as well. Each kit comes with your cake mix. You also have a frosting mix, and the frosting mix is labeled with a sticker, important for the vanilla mix so you don't get the 2 mixed up. We also have our baking instructions, and if you open this up, you'll see both the instructions for the cake mix and the frosting mix. There's also great tips here and on our website. If you want to make a lighter frosting or a glaze, we have that there. We also have information regarding contests we're holding, monthly giveaways, great resources and other tips as well. So be sure to check them out on the website. And if you open up this bag over here, you'll find a disposable frosting bag. Once your frosting is prepared, put it right in here. You can use a special decorating tip if you have one. If not, you can certainly just cut the tip there, frost your cupcakes, and you're good to go. And once your cupcakes are done and ready, open up the bag here. And this tray that was carrying everything when you opened the box acts as your stabilizer tray, and we recommend that you just flip those sides up for a little more stability. And then you're just going to slide that tray right into the bag, and when your cupcakes are cooled and ready to go, you'll slide them right into these slots here in that tray. Seal up the bag, and each kit comes with an allergy ID sticker. And you'll actually see a spot right there where you can write your name or your child's name or whoever these treats are for. So go ahead, seal the bag with the sticker, and you're ready to go.